Looking for big power without giving up trunk space? Meet the Power Acoustik Razor Series amplifiers, compact, powerful, and built for real-world installs. Whether you're running a full system or just need to power your subs, Razor Series amps deliver the performance and flexibility you need. All Razor Series amps share a slim, space-saving footprint, perfect for sedans, trucks, and tight installs. At under 5 inches wide and less than 2 inches tall, they fit where most amps can't. These amps use full-range Class D technology for efficient performance and lower heat output. They're powered by high-speed MOSFET power supplies, ensuring consistent performance even at high volume. And when things get heated, literally, built-in protection circuits kick in to protect your gear. That includes safeguards for overheating, short circuits, and voltage overload. Whether you're using a factory head unit or an aftermarket deck, installation is simple. You've got low-level RCA inputs for clean signal from aftermarket stereos, and high-level speaker inputs for easy integration with factory systems. Dial in your sound with variable crossovers, high-pass and low-pass filters, and bass boost control. And for the monoblocks, you'll get a wired bass control knob, perfect for adjusting the sub level on the fly without diving into menus. The Razor Series features monoblocks as well as 4-channel and 5-channel amps, including the RZ1-3500D, a high-power monoblock amp for subwoofers, the RZ4-3000D, a full-range full-channel amp, the RZ5-2500D, an all-in-one 5-channel amp, plus Walmart exclusive models, the RZR1-2500D monoblock and the RZR4-1500D 4-channel amp, and more. So if you're building your first system or upgrading your current ride, Power Acoustik's Razor Series amps are a smart, compact solution that don't sacrifice performance. Visit poweracoustik.com for more information. Please like and subscribe to keep getting more info about the best upgrades for your car stereo from Power Acoustik.